The new seals are great. They they don't have any of the damage, or there was bubbling, and they didn't seem to seat well. And it's got all the proper clips. So that's good. But you know how sometimes when you get shipped a package, and it seems like the box was a bit inappropriate, like a little too big. This thing's like 3 meters long. Just can't even fit in the frame. The lady delivered it. I was like, what did you do? I mean, they weren't folded. They're rubber. So both of them fit in a little plastic bag. It's like maybe, 3 shoeboxes size. It barely fit in her truck though. When she walked to the door, she just like, take this stupid thing. Oh my god. I was like, what? Did they actually send me more carpet for my car? No. The 2 weighed more than the seals did. Oh, well, they're perfect shape. Oh well,